man dies with a clean sword, I'll rip his fucking corpse!
Greetings to all, hope you are having a good day. The subject of today's video is Ascension Fragments. Disclaimer before I continue. This video contains information on real cash packs. In no way do you have to do any purchase for Evany or any other game. Do purchases of your own will and not because of the content of this video. Now let's continue with the video. So, what are Ascension Fragments? If you are short the fragments needed to ascend a general to the next red star, you can use Ascension Fragments to make up the difference. Ascension Fragments are universal fragments that can be used to red star a general that is qualified to use them. In the red star process, look to the bottom right. Here you will know if the general qualifies for the Ascension Fragment, and how many fragments are available in your inventory. There are two types of Ascension Fragments. Type 1. Comes in a gold color and is labeled Exclusive Ascension Fragment. Type 2. Comes in a red color and is labeled Ascension Fragments. Moving forward, the video will focus on the Exclusive Ascension Fragments, commonly known as the Gold Ascension Fragments. To be clear, the phrase Exclusive Ascension Fragments and Gold Ascension Fragments mean the same thing. Next thing to know is where to get the Gold Ascension Fragments. As of the making of this video, there are only 3 ways to get Gold Ascension Fragments. First way is from a pop-up, after you spawn a premium general from an inventory token. A pop-up Ascension pack should appear. The purchase time is limited to 24 hours. The cost is $5 or the equivalent amount for your nation's currency. This pop-up uses a ladder system, where the cost will go up and the amount of fragments in each pop-up will go up after each purchase. I have not purchased past the second ladder, so I do not know the max limits for fragments or cost. The icon to the Ascension Pack pop-up is on the right side of your screen. It is a gladiator helmet with a timer counting down from the initial 24 hours. Most will close the pop-up to continue playing the game. If you wish to make the pop-up purchase, click the gladiator helmet to call back the pack. Once the 24-hour time hits 0, the gladiator helmet will disappear, and you will no longer have access to the pop-up Ascension Pack. The bad news, Evany will not allow us to use a double down or triple down coupon on this pop-up pack. The second way to get Gold Ascension Fragments is from Login Gift. Go to your city view, look to the bottom menu, click the icon that is labeled Login Gifts. It looks like a notepad with a green check mark. After logging in for 7 days and making the 99-cent purchase on the right side, you are eligible to get 5 Gold Ascension Fragments. Again, the paywall cost is 99 cents, and you must log in for 7 days. The bad news again, Evany will not allow the use of a double down or triple down coupon for this purchase. The third and final way to get Gold Ascension Fragments is from the VIP menu. In the upper left, where your Monarch avatar is located, just under the city's total power, you will find your VIP level. It is a clickable area, and this is how you enter the VIP menu. At the bottom of the VIP menu, you will see the VIP purchase packs. The packs you can buy is based on your VIP level. The purchase button will be grayed out if you do not have the VIP level to access a cash pack. As for Gold Ascension Fragments, starting at VIP 5, the Gold Ascension Fragments are included in the VIP purchase pack. For VIP 5, the limit is 8 and the paywall cost is $20, or the equivalent of your country's currency. The good news, Evany will allow you to use a double down or triple down coupon for the VIP packs. Some notes. VIP time must be active to do a purchase from the VIP menu. When the VIP time is actively counting down, the purchase button is green and clickable to do the purchase. When the VIP time is 0, the purchase button is grayed out and not clickable to do the purchase. From VIP 5 to VIP 7 for $20 you get 8 Gold Ascension Fragments. From VIP 8 to VIP 10 for $50 you get 12 Gold Ascension Fragments. From VIP 11 to VIP 16 for $100 you get 20 Gold Ascension Fragments. The Evany PC version did not allow me to access VIP purchases. However, a smartphone or emulator like BlueStacks with the App Store version of Evany allowed me access to the VIP purchase, with an active timer. The best value of the 3 paths is the Login Gift, but has the longest wait time. Log in for 7 days and do the 99-cent purchase within the 7 days to earn 5 Ascension Fragments. After 6 weeks, you spend $6 to get 30 Gold Ascension Fragments, or 1 copy of a general. So, let us do the math. To get 15 copies, it will take $90 and 90 weeks. The actual amount is based on the day you start, what month of the year it is and if it's a leap year. But the estimate for 90 weeks is about 1 year and 9 months. That is if you do not miss 1 day for that entire time. Other opportunities can shorten the time. The general you want may show up in limited recruitment. Or, if the general is listed on a general token you open and the general you want just so happens to spawn. Or, if the general is in the tavern, it may show up after a gem refresh. Or, if the general is in the Great General chest, fragments or full copies may spawn when you use a key. A combination of 1 or more situations may help get fragments of the specific general you want. If time is limited and you just need to get 30 fragments for a specific general you already own, there is a 3-step scenario where you can get 33 fragments within 7 days. Step 1. Make sure you log in every day to qualify for all the items on the login gift list. Spend 99 cents. Reminder, you cannot use a coupon. So, the limit is 5 Ascension Fragments. Step 2. On that 7th day, spawn a historic general from your inventory. the Ascension pop-up pack should appear. Spend $5. Reminder, you cannot use a coupon. So, the limit is 4 Ascension Fragments. Step 3. On that same 7th day, go to your VIP menu, add VIP time if the counter is 0. Click back to VIP 7. It has 8 Ascension Fragments in this pack. Spend $20 with a triple down to get 24 Ascension Fragments. Total real cash is $26 and 33 gold Ascension Fragments. One recommendation before doing the 3 steps. Check if the limited recruit event is active. Check the limited recruitment list for the general you want. If the general is listed and you have recruitment orders, try to get fragments there first. You may end up with some or all the fragments you need. Best practice. Use Ascension Fragments, gold or red, to get the last few fragments, not a means to get 15 copies for a general. George Dewey was my first gold Ascension Fragment project. I was short 40 fragments from getting Dewey to 10 stars and Trial of Night was active. George Dewey fragments are available in 2 free-to-play areas. Area 1. The Tavern Great General Chest, found on the Tavern menu. Area 2. The Tavern Recruit. On March 7, 2025, George Dewey was one of the 16 generals moved to the tavern. Here you can gem refresh until he shows up and purchase a Dewey copy for 45 million gold each. Between Tavern Recruit, Tavern General Chest and Gold Ascension Fragments, I accumulated enough fragments to make Dewey 10 stars. From the day Gold Ascension Fragments was on the login gift, I started to do the 99-cent purchases. Not consistently, but enough to accumulate over 40 Gold Ascension Fragments. Now, what if you dismiss the general after using the Gold Ascension Fragments? Once used, the Gold Ascension Fragment permanently becomes that specific general's fragments. Example. My 10-star George Dewey used 40 Gold Ascension Fragments. The main would be 30 fragments. The 15 copies would be 450 fragments. The perfectly dismissed process would give back 480 George Dewey fragments. No Gold Ascension Fragments are returned from a general that consumed them. Said another way. Once the Gold Ascension Fragments are used, they are gone forever. If you can easily get copies for a specific general, do not use up any Gold Ascension Fragments to enhance that general. Save the Gold Ascension Fragments for a hard-to-get general that rarely shows up. To sum things up, Gold Ascension Fragments can be found in the VIP menu from VIP 5 to VIP 16. Also, if you spawn a historic general, a pop-up pack, and, on the purchase side of the login gifts, best practice. Use the Gold Ascension Fragment after you have collected the majority of fragments for a general you know will be used for a long time. Long-term use generals, those you will use for the entire game, include but not limited to sub-city mayors, duty officers and defense generals. The Gold Ascension Fragments can be used on 2 types of generals. Type 1. Generals found in the tavern. Type 2. Generals listed on the 3 types of historic general token. Epic, Premium and Glory. On a copy of a general you own from the Enhance menu, look to the bottom right to know if the general qualifies for the Gold Ascension Fragment. As for Red Ascension Fragments, they can be found in the VIP cash packs, from VIP 17 and above, and also in the All-Star shop. Best practice. Use the Red Ascension Fragments after you get 1 copy of an exclusive paywall general, and when having Red Star 1 makes a huge difference. Exclusive meaning, so far Evany has only 1 version of that general. The typical buff for Red Star 1 is 10%. 2 examples of exclusive paywall generals. Example 1, Clovis. Getting him to Red Star 1 gives bunker capacity 60%. And, in city ground and mounted troop defense get 20%. Example 2, Trivia Hecate. Getting her to Red Star 1 give in-city range and siege troops attack and defense 18%. Both examples give more than the typical 10% for Red Star 1. The Red Ascension Fragments can be used on 2 types of generals. Type 1. Generals you get from Cake Level 10. Type 2. Selective Evany Generals. Evany selective generals do not have a specific place you can get them all, like the Historic Token or Tavern Recruit. Most are free generals when you get top placement in an event or collect enough tokens for the event. Selective general examples include but not limited to Caesar, Jan Carroll, and Darius. Once you get the first copy from the Enhance menu, look to the bottom right to know if the general qualifies for the Red Ascension Fragments. The most important thing is, for both types of Ascension Fragments, gold and red, you need to already own 1 copy of a general to use them. Okay, that is it for today. Hope this helps you with your Evany journey. To all, have a great day.